Hope you all are fit and safe at your home. Today I am going to teach you about determiners. What are determiners? A determiner is a word which helps us to identify or specify a noun. A determiner always comes before a noun. Examples: Rahul is a boy. Here, boy is a noun, we know that, and the word which is used before it is a. So, a is your determiner. In the second example, we can see Sita bought this book. Here also, book is your noun, and the word which is used before this is this. So, this is your determiner. Now, let's see some commonly used determiners. A, and, the, some, any, my, are, their, her, his, each, every, certain, its, this, that, few, more, many, etc. All these words comes under determiners. Let's see some examples. There is some water in the glass. Here water is your noun and glass is also your noun, and the word which is just used before it is some and the. So we have underlined these words and these are your determiners. In the same case, certain questions have not been solved, so certain is your determiner. In the third one, we need more information on this topic, so information is your noun. We know that it's a abstract noun and the word before used it is more, so more is your determiner. Okay, I think you got it. Now let's come to the next point, that is kinds of determiners. So there are four kinds of determiners. First is article, demonstrative determiners, possessive determiners, and quantifiers. Okay, so there are some words which I have already written. These are a and the. These comes under articles. This, that, these, those comes under demonstrative. My, your, his, her, their, mine, all these words comes under possessive determiners. And some, few, little, many, much, any, more, all these words comes under quantifier. So let's study about them in detail. A and the are known as articles. The articles a and n can be used with countable nouns in the singular form. And the word the comes under definite articles, which is the specific version of noun. Example of definite articles are the Bhagavad Gita. So the is used with Bhagavad Gita because here I am talking about a specific book. I am not talking about a common book. That's why we used the with it. And the Hindustan Time, and always with all the newspaper the word is used. As we can say, the Prime Minister address in the nation from the Red Fort of Independence Day. So the Prime Minister I have used because Prime Minister is only one in our country. Okay, so that is not common. That's why I have used the before it. The words a and n come under indefinite articles, which are general version of noun. For example, a man, a book, an orange, an hour. Now, demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative pronouns this, that, these, those are also used as determiners. When we want to point out or specify or put some focus on the noun that they are replacing within a sentence, then those words are called demonstrative determiners. For example, this is my book, these are our books. Now this and these, look these words. These are the plural form of this and those is the plural form of that. This is my book. I am demonstrating, I am putting pressure on the word this. So this is my book. I am demonstrating or I am pointing out this word that this is my book. These are your books. These words are known as your demonstrative determiners. I hope you understood this. Now let's move to next topic, that is possessive pronoun. Let's move to possessive determiners. Possessive pronouns are words that are used to show ownership. When we want to say that a particular thing belongs to someone, we use possessive pronouns. Before moving to example, we must see that the note below is telling not to confuse between possessive pronouns and determiners. In the first sentence, this dress is hers. So in this, hers is possessive pronoun. Whereas in the second sentence, this is her dress. In this, her is the possessive determiner. Now, both the examples may seem same to you, but there is a huge difference. You can refer to the table in the next slide to understand the difference. There are two columns in this table, possessive pronoun and possessive determiner. Before moving to examples, please remember that there is always a noun after a possessive determiner. There is no noun after a possessive pronoun. Now move to examples. First one is, this pencil is his. This is his pencil. These are two examples. Here in the possessive determiner, we can see that pencil is noun and the word before used it is his. So his is your determiner. So that is your possessive determiner. Now let's move to the next example. The new ball is mine and my ball is new. The red scarf is yours. Your scarf is red. I hope you understood this topic very well. Now let's move to quantifiers. Words like some, few, little, much, more, etc. are known as quantifiers. They indicate how much or how little the noun is being discussed. Now let's move to examples. He took some books of mine. She has few oranges. Some and few shows the quantity of the noun. So I hope that you all understood the topic very well. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.